Hello everyone. Today we're going to give an update of our potted garden area for beginners. And so far we have quite a few seedlings coming out. Alright, so now this is some of the kale. And then we have some beneficial bugs in here. But this is the kale as well. Some of the arugula, and this is only day number 3. So far, I'm sorry, it's not day number 3, it's day number 6. But so far, everything is doing pretty good, and the bird tape is apparently doing its job. For it to be in the open, the birds are not getting it. So next thing we are going to do is just make sure we keep our little seedlings that are sprouting, and the celery is getting big, that are sprouting, and we're going to keep them wet and watered. So now what we're going to do on our 6th day is keep watering them every day. Actually, if it's dry, you don't have no rain, keep watering your plants. Just a little sprinkle of water. And this will give your seeds a boost to come out more. A garlic update. This is going about 4 weeks now, and it's doing pretty good. Next thing I'm going to do is probably add some fertilizer. And you don't really have to water garlic a whole bunch, and we're not going to have rain. So this is our garlic update. Good, alhamdulillah. To update you all on our apricot tree, it is blooming, alhamdulillah. And this is a beneficial tree to have fruit trees near your garden, because look what it brings. It brings lots and lots of beautiful flowers to attract honeybees. Here's the beneficial, beautiful honeybees. It's another update on our large plot where we put our onions and garlic. And because of the straw is kind of covering, but all of them are, alhamdulillah, coming up fairly well. So stay tuned for updates. Large pot that we're trying to grow onion bulbs and green onions, and it's doing fairly well, alhamdulillah. And for this pot, this is particularly this is 3 weeks. 3 weeks. This is an update of our greenhouse. We have lots and lots of garlic in here. And this is the update. This is week 2.5 of planting garlic and onions. And if you remember, our lemon trees, from trimming the top, now they're growing up.
Hello everyone, today we're going to be planting potatoes in crates. Stay tuned. We're going to put some potato sacks in our crates.
And get ready for our dirt.
And then the next one. We're going to fill our bags with dirt. Now we're going to add vermicelli and coconut coir. Now I'm mixing the soil. What we're going to do is dig a hole for potatoes. I'm going to add 2 potatoes in the hole. Now we cover it. And that's it. Now we have water. I'm gonna do the next crate. And we're gonna fill this one with 2 potatoes too. Now you water thoroughly. Now we're gonna add straw. Please stay tuned for updates. Subscribe for more videos.